I headed to CVS again. I love the deals that they've been having. I just can't seem to stay out of that store. They have so much clearance, and I found the Total Home lemon wipes on clearance. They were like 59 cents each, so I was able to get quite a few of those. I did a double dip on Irish Spring. What that means is I used my rain check on this week's sale. I maxed it out because you can do it 4 times per household. So instead of getting $12 back, I got $24 back in Irish Spring. The clearance was still a great deal. There's loads of clearance still. So I don't know if they just keep bringing it out of the back room, but it just seems like every time I go there, there's still more clearance to get. It's just so funny. So I loaded up on Glade, Renews It, Windex, and so many other items. I noticed while I was shopping there that Everdent is a huge deal. It's like $1 and something a box. You guys know I always roll my rewards into my deals, so that helps me get gobs and gobs of items for free to near free every single week shopping at CVS. And while I'm there, I'm always looking for more items like clearance. So when everything was said and done, I got over 100 items today at CVS, and my out-of-pocket expense was $1.88. I loaded up my car with all my goodies, saved tremendous sums. I got paper products, trash bags. I'll tell you what, it was an awesome savings day. So the Downy was on clearance, $1.72. If you have that $2 off coupon, you can get it for free, and it's a moneymaker. I got more Glade for the car. Oxy was on clearance as well. The Renewses were on clearance. I did the Listerine deal. You buy 2, you get like a $4 ECB. There was, in addition to laundry soap, there was soap to wash your dishes. I did the Eclipse deal. They were on sale 3 for $3. I did a lot of Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild was huge.